In this question, it is given that a tall cylinder is filled with viscous oil around the pebble is dropped from a top with a zero initial velocity. From the plot shown indicates the one that represents the velocity of a pebble as a function of time. So we know that when a particle is moving through a fluid, initially due to the effect of force exerted by gravity mg, its velocity is keep on increasing. Then viscous force will act on it 6 pi eta rv. Because of that, its acceleration is going to decrease. So remember that acceleration is going to decrease. It doesn't mean that velocity is going to decrease. Acceleration is decreasing, then the rate of increase of velocity is going to decrease. Means the velocities keep on increasing, but the rate at which it was increasing is decreasing. So we can say that its speed is still increasing, then after some times it will attain a terminal velocity. After that, it will move with that constant velocity. So we can say that option C is correct, where the first velocities keep on increasing, then it is going to be a constant value. But in option A, it represents that its velocities keep on increasing, which is wrong, and second one is also representing keep on increasing. Third one represents that it's a constant increase, but it's not constantly increasing. It's gradually increasing, then it's going to be a constant. So C option is correct.